This video demonstrates repair FRM module without coding by ACDP. Check the required accessories. Install the support studs. Install the FRM interface board. Note that the test pins of the FRM interface board should be aligned with 4 test points. Lock 2 screws. Connect the BDM1 adapter to the OBP-ICP adapter. Connect the BDM1 adapter to the FRM interface board. Connect to the ACDP. Power up the ACDP host. Open the ACDP software. Confirm in the upper right corner that ACDP connected. Click BMW. Click FRM. Select according to the corresponding chip model. Click FRM Data Recovery Automatic Mode. Confirm that the device and adapter are connected properly. Click Confirm. Waiting for pin detection to pass. Click Confirm. Reading chip data. Check the chip information read out. If 4K EEPROM data is read, the FRM module data is not damaged. Please operate with caution. If 32K flash data is read, the FRM module data is corrupt. Click Confirm. Pay attention to the path to save the file, which includes the date and time. Click Confirm. Check the frame number and other information. If the parsed car information is incorrect, click Cancel to exit automatic repair. If the information such as the car correct, click Confirm. Repairing chip data. Repair completed. Click Confirm. Thanks for watching.